I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. If you haven't, please be sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I wanted to do an update on our TTC journey. This is technically cycle 2, but it's really the first cycle that we've been able to fully try. So I just want to tell you guys what we're doing differently this month than we did last month and how everything seems to be going. So last month we really didn't have that much of a chance to try, only because where my surgery 8 weeks fell at, it was literally right at the point when I was about to ovulate. So we had a very small window of being able to try. So sadly it was a failure and we did not get a positive. But we did, I showed you guys that we had been taking vitamins, both of us, to try to make sure we're at optimal health. And that was, pretty much it. We did the OPK test so that we could try to track it. We do use the Premom app, and I've been using it for, I believe, 3 months now, since right before my surgery. So I'll insert a picture of what that looks like so that if you guys want to check out the app, you can. It's not a sponsored thing or anything. I just want to let you guys know that it's a good app. So what we've been doing differently this month that we're hoping really helps us get a positive is I started tracking my ovulation way sooner than I did last month. I basically started on day 3 of my cycle, so I was still menstruating a little bit. I started tracking right then so that hopefully I would definitely catch it. And also with that, we started baby dancing. If you're TTC, you know what that means, which TTC, if you don't know, it stands for trying to conceive, and baby dance stands for have sex. So basically we started baby dancing every other day since day 3 of my cycle, and we've just been doing that every day since. And then when it got closer to where my ovulation was, according to the OPK, we started baby dancing every day, so that hopefully that helps us have the best chance possible to make sure that a sperm was there when the egg came out so they could meet and do magic together. I did start this thing. I read about it because I saw it in other, groups for people who are trying to get pregnant. And they said Robitussin in the groups, but it's basically just guaifenesin. So you can get the generic guaifenesin, which it's what I did. I just got this one. And you want to make sure that you get just the guaifenesin. You don't want it to have anything else in it. And it says to do 200 milligrams 3 times a day. They only had the 600 milligram at the store. So we just got that, and I just take it once a day. And from the research I did, you're supposed to take it the 5 days leading up to ovulation, and then the day of and the day after ovulation, and it's supposed to help thin out your cervical mucus to help the sperm get to where they need to be at. So there's not really any science behind it, but there are some fertility doctors who do recommend trying this, so we figured why not, so we gave it a try. We did get this, which is Pre-Seed, and it's just a fertility-friendly lubricant. So we got that to try. I know I did actually get pregnant with my first child using this, so we thought we'd give it a try, so hopefully it helps. And then things I've been taking just throughout the month, and I also was taking some of these last month, these are Flora probiotics, and they're to help with your vaginal health. So I have been taking these because right before and right after I had my surgery, I kept getting UTIs. So I took these and I haven't had any issues like that since. So definitely recommend these if you do have an issue with UTIs. And then I was taking the capsule version of these. And I really like these. They seem to really work well with keeping you regular and helping with your digestive health. I got these gummies only because they were on sale, whereas the capsules that I normally get, they were not on sale. So I ended up getting 2 of these 80 packs for the price of 1 because they were buy one, get one. And I also had a coupon. And then I'm still taking these prenatal vitamins, and these are just the Kroger brand. These ones have iron and calcium in it, where some don't have those two together. And I have issues with being anemic, so I got these. Then I take these calcium gummies. Just so you know, these ones are not vegan. They do have carmine in them, which I was unaware of when I bought them because I didn't read the label. So if you are vegan or vegetarian, I would definitely say you don't want to get these because they do have carmine in them. And then I got these, which is Super C, so that hopefully I don't get sick as often. I have been trying to get more sleep, which is something that I struggle with because I do have sleep issues, which I am seeing a doctor for that to try to fix that. But I'm trying to get more sleep. I am exercising more because, one, I really want to lose a little bit of weight. And it's also, you know, just to kind of be as healthy as I can be for when I do get pregnant so that hopefully the pregnancy goes well. I've also been meditating more. I will link below some of the soundscapes that I have been listening to and I really enjoy. Some of them are actually said to help increase fertility and stuff like that. So I will link those below if you want to check those out. I want to show you guys what I made. It's not hard to make. It's literally just this, and it is a glass jar. I just got this from like a spaghetti jar that we had from, I think it was like Classico brand. And I just basically, you know, washed out the jar, took off the label, cleaned it up and everything. This thing actually holds 24 ounces, which this has been helping me hydrate like ton better than the stainless steel water bottles that I had because I wasn't able to see the water in it. So it was making it harder for me to like be motivated to keep drinking because I couldn't see how far down I was and it felt like it was not getting any lower. So this has helped me stay hydrated way more, which hydration is super important just for overall health. So definitely staying hydrated more. And then I got my cool rainbow stainless steel straw. So this one I have here is actually a fertility support bracelet, and it is moonstone, quartz, pink opal, and cracked crystal. And I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that. That one is the cracked crystal. It's actually really pretty in person, but that's just what it looks like. And I will link below where I got these. It was on Etsy, and the lady who makes them was super nice because I ended up ordering the wrong size initially, and it was quick and easy to get her to remake them into the size that I needed and to get guidance on the right size that I needed. So, and the other one I got is this one. So the other one I got is this one, and it is actually a conception and pregnancy support bracelet. And it has tiger eye, moonstone, red carmelian, eucalyptus, aquamarine, rose quartz, ruby, I think it's called zoisite, smoky quartz, amethyst, and I think malachite. So that's what that one looks like. And I'll put information below about these bracelets and stuff like that so that if you guys are interested, you can, you know, be informed about them. So these are just the things that we're doing this month to hopefully, you know, get a positive. Right now, I'll put up my OPK test that I have in the Premom app. The fun thing about the Premom app is you can take pictures of your OPK test strips and it saves them in there, and it, you know, puts a chart in there. You know, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And it's just really helpful so that you can easily track your ovulation and other things. It also does have options in there where you can track like cervical mucus, your basal body temperature, your mood, stuff like that, so that you can really, you know, be super like in depth with your tracking of your fertility. I will post an update as to whether or not we got a positive or if we got another negative. I will post an update so you guys know. And then from there, we'll just kind of see if we're going to choose to do anything different, or just kind of keep trying what we're trying and just see how it goes from there. If you guys want to follow us on this TTC journey, which is like super new to us because with my other two children, we didn't really try. We just kind of winged it. So if you guys want to follow us on this journey, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to give us good luck on this journey. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.